Hi everyone, I'm recording the video to explain the iteration I did on this design, help user choose different design type. And remember before that I kind of showed a different design that have a cars and have a list. So we decide to go with cars. And this is what I came up with now. So I think for the cars, I want to put some illustration there. And we're already using this, I call it horizontal layout, picture on the left and the explanation on the right-hand side. And also, I also designed something that is vertical. So if I explain it, we don't have like the detail of the pajama, but I think we can go with it. So the only thing we need to pay attention is probably the spacing. So rest of them we can define with pajama later. But I think for now, if we make the spacing correct, and that's good. So for like the very big one, if they take the full space, we use the horizontal kind of layout. If it's getting narrower, we will use the vertical one. And for the vertical layout, when they get smaller, the spacing like around them are also smaller. Like if you compare the big one, the spacing is bigger. So that's the only thing I think for our kind of this design to go live. We need to consider like when we shrink the page, like we will make them like go next to each other. It's not two column, it will become one column, and when it's narrower, I think we should like go for the vertical one, like this one. Because like when you shrink too narrow, those tags will become too small. It's not easy to read. So then we need to change the layout. So we can specify the breakpoint later if we are all think it's okay. And for the illustration, like tell me what do you think, and if they're good, I will go for the details of them and go to the process to upload them into the illustration project so we can ready to use now. Like I'm not sure I think all the lines should be 2 pixel, 4 pixel, like adjust to our guideline, but I need to double check them and still refine it. And another thing is for the flow. Click new, we'll see this. We are using this kind of breadcrumb-ish stepper because we don't have that component yet. I think that will take longer. It's better to wait. It's not like a card. We already have something. We can reuse it, and it's more kind of a solid thing. So for this, probably more discussion. And for the hover status, I'm thinking just like changing the background color. And we can also like do shadows, but this is more consistent with a lot of hover status. You have like buttons and segment control, all those stuff. So I would prefer to have this. If you have a different opinion, you want this or something else, like we can discuss about it. And if user click on the card, like user can cancel it, like go back to private page. Like then if user click on it, it will go to next one. And it's the policy step, I still keep it here. So it's like a quick access. If users are already familiar with it, they don't need to go back to private page to do that. But I still leave a button here. Like if you want to go to the private page, see this again, they can see it. So here they go back to private page. Here they can directly choose on this page. I think it's good to give them both options. So basically that's it. Same as before. I will upload this page and this page in the description. And if you have anything, comment on there. And also I will upload this page. I think this is more or less like probably what we will develop for our own thing and then later on be utilized for the component. And the other thing I was thinking, yeah, so mainly the feedback was about the flow. Do you like it? Do you like the illustration, like the card style and the hover status? Thank you.